Hey everyone, welcome to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, and it's not raining. You guys, it's not raining. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get the full party. We're gonna get all the things, the parades, the shows, the characters. I am so silly excited. This is incredible. Also, we made a park reservation, so we're in actually a little bit early before the crowd. You can see everybody over there by the exit in their Halloween gear, showing the exit versus the people that are staying for the party. You have to have a ticket. Tonight is sold out. We have our ticket. We're all set to go. And we are gonna head back towards Monsters Laugh Floor? No, Stitch's Great Escape, and get our wristband there so that we don't have to go back outside, wait in the line, and fight that crowd. But check it out! The bus is here! This didn't happen last year because it was pouring rain. I am so excited. We're gonna have so much fun, eat all the snacks, and have a fun Halloween Mickey's Not So Scary party. Come with us. So everybody else that's coming in is gonna go head that way to the treat trail when they come in at 4 in about 20 minutes. We're gonna head this way and skip all that, get our wristband back here at Stitch's Great Escape, and then get our treats and head over to the Seven Dwarfs meet and greet and see if we can get in line for that. Very exciting. All right, here's our wristband distribution. Underneath the people mover, Stitch's Great Escape. To the left of Monsters Laugh Floor. We're gonna get in line over here, get our wristband. These people right here. All right, we're good. We're checked in. We got our map. Check that out. We got our candy, so we don't have to go in the other line. Halloween. It's gonna be great. We're all set. We're all set. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're heading back towards the circus for the Seven Dwarfs. We're gonna scope that out. But I will say that line only took 12 minutes to get our wristband. In and out in 12 minutes. Multiple cast members there to help. It was amazing. 12 minutes, we got our wristband, we're all set to go. And now, it's Halloween fun. So this is our spot over here for the Seven Dwarfs meet and greet. We were able to do a DAS. It was great. The cast members really helped us out. We have a DAS return time of 8:01. We're gonna come back. It is not available through the app. You do have to see an attendant if you're using DAS and would like to make a return time. Mileage may vary. Be kind to your cast members. They will help you out. So we're here by the train, Fantasyland station, and there's a service dog relief area. So we're letting Ernie have a minute here. Right over by the sideshow, we got Chip and Dale over there doing a meet and greet. And the train is right there. There's a nice little service dog area right here. So here to get a little bit of a better view from the outside, just look for that little plaque there. That gate opens. You can go right in there. It's right by the train. So now we're gonna head back out this way. And Little Mermaid is calling. La 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 la.
So this is just the best, because not only is this ride nice and air conditioning and a cool spot to just come and cruise along in our little seashell, but also Ernie freaking loves it. It is the best. Right now, we're just making our way through the attractions, getting some bonus ride time happening here. Got some time before the treat trails start, so we're just making our way through the rides, and it's so fun. Then we're leaving Small World, and we get to this part where we're, saying goodbye in all the languages, and my name is on the screen. What? What is this sorcery? This has not been seen before. What is happening right now? What is my name doing on the screen? This is the coolest and weirdest thing that has ever happened. I am stunned. And now one more ride. We're going to hop over here into Haunted Mansion, say hello to our favorite ghosts, and then we're going to go start the party, get our treats, and grab a snack.
Here's our hand pie. Looks good. Also got a Coke that's half done because it's still hot. Ernie's right here having some turkey jerky, chilling. Oh, it's warm. We got our first snack. So exciting. step. Here we go. It's the sidewalk that goes under Tron over to Storybook Circus. This is gonna be our first treat trail. Here we go. All right, started to fill up the bag. That was a really good one because there were two. There were 2 stops for treats. Look, there's 2 stops in there. 2 candy stops, so you got double. It's awesome. Okay, so we're 2 treat trails in and we're already almost a full bag. What? It's gonna be crazy. Also the line. That's the line. Way over there is the front. Yeah, so it's a big line, but it moves quickly. Alright. Hanging out, taking a break. 5 more minutes before our meet and greet with the 7 dwarfs. It's right over here. He's so awesome. Very excited.
Oh my goodness, this was the best, and this picture is amazing. And Ernie is like, Mom, who are these guys? And also, do you think they would let me have one of those emeralds in the bucket? It's so fun.
Joyfulness. Yummy.
All right, dinner was excellent. Now it's time to do another meet and greet with one of the rare characters that is out for only Mickey's Not So Scary Party, and that is this meet and greet here with Jack and Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. Once again, we were able to make a DAS return time. You do have to see the cast members at the front of the queue in order to do this. This is not available through the app, and they will let you know what times are available during the party for you to come back and do your meet and greet. He specifically requested a DAS return time during the fireworks so that we could escape the loud sounds so Ernie would not be startled, and it worked out perfectly because you actually spend about a half hour inside that meet and greet. Even with the DAS return time, it does take a little bit to go through the queue. So it worked out perfectly for us. Now the fireworks are over and we're going to head up to the castle to watch the Hocus Pocus show.
300 years, right down to the day. Now the witch is back. And there's heck to pay. I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. Say bye-bye.
Hey everyone, it's time for the Boo-to-You parade, and this is another thing that didn't happen last year because of the rain. We did not get the Headless Horseman. We only got a partial parade. Everything was rained out, so this is fantastic. We're getting the full parade. I am so excited. Along with being able to see the full parade this year, we're also getting new characters in the parade. The Sanderson sisters were not in the parade last year. They were only over in DCA in California. So this is awesome. We get to see the Sanderson sisters ride in on their float. So cool.
That's a great costume. Happy Halloween, everybody.
Okay, everyone, we're going to close out the night with one final ride on the People Mover. Everybody's leaving the park. We're taking one more ride. We got on right before the party officially ended, so get to ride one more time, which is amazing. There's nobody else on here except us. So cool. We got our own car. We're just gonna take a tour around Tomorrowland, give you guys our final thoughts on the party. This year was so fun. There was no rain. Everything ran as scheduled. Nothing was canceled. Everything went on fully. It was amazing. We had an excellent time. We got like 4 pounds of candy. It was incredible. The food was delicious. We got to do 2 of the most popular character meet and greets with the help of DAS. Now, once again, we do have to mention that you need to go to the cast members in order to use your DAS during the party for the meet and greets. It works for the regular rides. You can use DAS. The lightning lanes do not work during the party. So if you have a lightning lane that's left over from the day, that does not transfer over to the party. So just be aware of that. The DAS system, Disney Disability Access Service, does work. But for the character meet and greets, you need to see a cast member. Remember that when you're talking to the cast members, be kind. They will help you out. Okay? So, everyone have an excellent time when you guys are going to the party. It is so fun. Go to this every year. Highly recommend it. No crowds. Everything is wonderful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you did. Enjoy the rest of the People Mover ride. We're going to take you all the way around, and we will see you guys again soon. Cheers.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we keep moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Now approaching Monsters Incorporated laugh floor.
Mike Wazowski has brought in some real monsters of comedy. Whether you have one eye or 9, take the time to see this show.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our People Mover journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. And even though we're concluding, this is always my favorite part. Because now is the time, now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow, today. See you in the future.
This is the TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.